What's going on, guys? It's Hannah with SurfPrep. We've got a really exciting day today. Inspired by University with Corey Leister has taken over SurfPrep's Southern California location. So we have Dennis Rodriguez, special guest Eric Reason, and they are some of the best finishers in the industry. We've got a bunch of different sprayer companies, different coating companies, and we are doing everything from sanding doors, priming doors, and going through every single coat. So come follow me inside and let's take a look.
Again, guys, we're here running this show. We're getting experience and we're getting practice with all these guys to see all these different coatings. I mean, it's been an absolutely awesome day. I want him to pan to the right just a little bit real quick because I want him to see the spray booths that we got set up for you guys today.
Alright, how you guys doing? I'm Eric Reason from Eric Reason Custom Woodwork. Everybody knows me on YouTube as Mr. Test Don't Guess. We're doing a class. I'm helping my buddy Dennis Rodriguez, and we're going over stains, primers, paints with a couple different coating companies. We've got some from Corey Leister, Inspired by You, which is a Brantner Malaysia, and then we also have CIC and Brian Barosio out here. Then we also have Daniel from MK Sales, and we're also shooting some Renner products, some 643 and some 765.
Awesome, thank you very much.
Yep, you're welcome.
Hey guys, we just had an incredible class with Inspired by University. Dennis Rodriguez killed it today, and everybody was just constantly moving, constantly spraying different products and using different sprayers, and they got to have access to all of the SurfPrep crew. It was an incredible day, and I think that everybody just came away with so much value that they can add into their business. And we're so excited for all of the future classes. We've got a class booked every month for the entire year. So come out and join us, and we're so excited to just continue to empower people and uplift them and help them believe in their business and in themselves so that they can go out and just make things beautiful. Have a great day, guys.